Love is one of the most profound emotions in the world, connecting us and binding us together. It has the power to elevate us to great heights, but it can also bring us down in an instant if misplaced. Loving the wrong person can prevent you from finding the true joy of genuine love. It's like a double-edged sword that can shatter your world if your love isn't valued. This can turn into an unhealthy obsession, where you chase their love more intensely, only to feel emptier and more broken.
The more you crave, the more you lose your dignity and self-respect. You might love them with all your heart, but they neglect, insult, and make you feel unimportant. Here's the hard truth. You don't have to be trapped by this craving.
It's time to change the narrative. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful psychological strategies to flip the situation so they end up begging for you. Rule 1. Don't give your attention away freely. Make them earn it. Your attention is valuable, and when you give it to just anyone, it loses its significance. Make them work for your time, focus, and energy. This isn't about being cruel, it's about self-respect. When you step back and don't always respond at their beck and call, they'll start to see your attention as something special. You become more intriguing and valuable, and they'll begin to understand that your time isn't something to be taken for granted. Rule 2. Stop investing too much effort in the relationship. Let them put in the work too. Relationships are a two-way street.
If you're the one always making plans and keeping things alive, it's time to change that. Give them the space to show they're equally invested.
This isn't about playing games, but about fostering a balanced relationship where both sides contribute. When you pull back, you'll see who's truly committed, and you'll start commanding the respect you deserve. Rule 3. Show them you don't need them. When you prove that you can live a happy life with or without them, it's a powerful move.
This isn't about being cold, but about being confident and independent. When they realize your happiness doesn't depend on them, they'll start to see you in a different light.
You're not just another person. You're someone who chooses to be with them, not someone who needs to be. Rule 4. Be emotionally self-sufficient.
Don't rely on them for your emotional stability.
You need to be your own anchor, handling your emotions without leaning on them for everything.
This isn't about shutting them out, but about showing that you're strong and resilient on your own.
When you're emotionally independent, you become someone they admire and respect. Rule 5. Be ready to walk away if you're treated as unimportant.
Set a clear standard for how you should be treated, and if they can't meet it, don't hesitate to leave.
This isn't about being harsh, but about valuing yourself.
You deserve to be a priority, not a backup plan.
When you're willing to walk away from poor treatment, you command respect and show that you know your worth. Rule 6. Stop seeking their validation.
Your worth isn't determined by what they think of you.
Too often, people look for approval from others, but it's time to end that.
Be confident in your choices and actions.
When you stop needing their validation, you empower yourself and shift how they see you.
You're not just someone waiting for their approval. You're someone who knows their own value.
Rule 7. Don't always show how much you care. Let them earn your love and attention. If you reveal all your feelings too quickly, they might start taking you for granted. Keep some of your emotions in reserve, making them work to earn your love. This isn't about playing games, but about recognizing your own worth. Your love is special. It's not something to be handed out freely. At this point in this presentation, I want to challenge you. Will you be the person who commands respect and creates their own happiness, or will you remain a prisoner of unrequited love? I dare you to commit to being someone who doesn't seek love desperately, but instead cultivates their own joy. If you want more unfiltered advice, hit the subscribe button and continue growing stronger as you encourage us to bring you more contents. If someone treats you as an option, it's time to leave them as a choice. Have you ever felt the pain of being ignored by someone you love deeply, only to have your emotions dismissed as if they don't matter? It's as if your presence is insignificant, and they never make you a priority, despite your unwavering love. But what if I told you that you could turn this around and make them mentally prioritize you in their life? To help you in this journey, I'm going to share 10 more powerful rules that will make you a magnetic person everyone wants in their life. Rule 8. Create the fear of losing you.
People often take for granted what's always available, even if it's valuable.
However, the fear of losing something precious makes them cherish it.
Imagine being the person they can't imagine living without.
To achieve this, show them that your world doesn't revolve around them alone.
Be fiercely independent, self-assured, and whole on your own.
Confidence and self-sufficiency are incredibly attractive.
They'll start to see your presence as a privilege, not a right.
You're not here to chase love, you're here to make them chase you. Rule 9. Don't always be available.
The most valuable things in life aren't always within reach.
Your time is precious, so don't be available whenever they want you.
Your life comes first.
Don't spend your days waiting around for their messages. Live your own life.
People are naturally drawn to those with their own interests and plans.
When you're not always available, they'll start to respect and value your time more, realizing they need to work to earn it. Rule 10. Maintain a sense of mystery.
People are drawn to the unknown, to the mystery.
Don't reveal everything about yourself right away.
Be like an intriguing book with some chapters hidden.
Let them wonder about your thoughts, dreams, and experiences.
When they can't predict your every move, they'll be more eager to discover who you really are.
Keep some things to yourself and they'll crave more of your presence.
Rule 11. Be valuable and let them invest in you.
People value what they work for. Allow them to invest time, emotion, and energy into getting to know you.
When they do, they become more attached and see you as someone truly special.
You're not here to beg for attention. You're here to show them that you're worth their commitment.
Make them see that your presence in their life is an asset they can't afford to lose.
Rule 12. Prioritize your own needs.
Your needs and well-being should always come first in any relationship.
Know your worth and never compromise your happiness and self-respect for someone who doesn't treat you with care.
A healthy relationship is built on mutual respect and consideration.
By prioritizing your own needs, you send a powerful message. You won't accept being treated as an afterthought.
Rule 13. Don't make them the center of your life.
Maintain your independence and don't make someone else the sole focus of your existence.
People are often attracted to what they can't have.
You have your own passions, dreams, and individuality.
This creates a sense of allure and independence, making you more captivating.
You're here to enhance each other's lives, not lose your identity in someone else. You give them the space to appreciate your presence and recognize your value. Rule 15. Create your own happiness.
Your happiness should start from within.
Be self-assured, content, and independent.
When you're happy on your own, you become a source of inspiration and light for others.
This kind of self-confidence is magnetic, drawing people to you.
You're not here to find happiness in someone else. You're here to share your happiness and enrich each other's lives.
Rule 16. Be willing to walk away. Be ready to walk away from a relationship that doesn't value you.
This sends a clear message that you won't settle for less than you deserve. Setting boundaries and knowing when to let go isn't about being heartless. It's about self-preservation and self-respect.
Sometimes walking away is the strongest statement you can make.
Rule 17. Maintain emotional balance. Keep your emotions in check.
While it's important to express your feelings, being overly emotional can sometimes cloud your true value. By striking a balance, you allow others to understand your needs without being overwhelmed.
This shows emotional intelligence and self-control, making it easier for others to prioritize you in their lives.
In conclusion, these 17 rules will help you become a magnetic presence in someone's life, someone they can't help but prioritize. By creating a fear of losing you, not always being available, maintaining some mystery, allowing them to invest in you, prioritizing your own needs, and finding the right balance in communication. You become an irresistible force. Creating your own happiness and maintaining emotional balance add depth to your attractiveness, while being willing to walk away reinforces the importance of self-respect. Remember, you're not just seeking attention, you're seeking healthy, balanced, and mutually respectful connections. You deserve to be with people who recognize and prioritize your value. We've reached the end of this video, and now it's time to take action. Reflect on these insights and commit to being the best version of yourself. Write down your promise in the comments. I am a warrior in my own life. I will be the best version of myself, and if someone treats me as an option, I will leave them as a choice. My time and energy are for those who uplift me toward my destiny. I'll be reading your comments and will feature the most inspiring comment on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more daily wisdom.